Hello viewers, Flipkart's Court Sale and Amazon Prime Day Sale will start on 11th of July. Many people actually want to know about the price point of iPad 10th generation 64GB, 256GB and iPad 11th generation. Though most of the people actually want to buy Android tablets, but some people are there who actually prefer iPad over Android tablets. iPad 10th generation and iPad 11th generation has no difference except two difference. It comes with a 16 Bionic chipset, while on iPad 10th generation you will get a 14 Bionic chipset. On the other hand, on iPad 11th generation you will get 1 year extra software updates. Apart from these two differences, both the iPads are identical. However, there will be slight boost in performance in iPad 11th generation, but you will not notice this difference. When iPad 11th generation was launched few months back, it was selling at a price point of 31,000 and in some sale, it was sold at a price point of 29,000 rupees. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation was sold at a price point of 25 to 26,000 rupees during some sale, and the 256GB variant was sold at a price point of 33,000 rupees. So will you get this pricing in Goat sale or Amazon Prime Day sale? I think no. Though Flipkart and Amazon are advertising that they will give great discounts on tablets and many other gadgets, but in reality these two sales will not offer so much of discounts like Big Billion Days sale or Great Indian sale. So if you ask me, I will say that the best price of iPad 10th generation 64GB is around 24,000 to 25,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 30,000 rupees. Similarly, if you want to buy the 128GB of iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price will be 27 to 28,000 rupees. And I think you should not buy any of these iPads above the price bracket that I have mentioned earlier. Now many users actually comparing iPad 11th generation with Xiaomi Pad 7. Look, Xiaomi Pad 7 is a very good tablet, there is no doubt about that, but iPad 11th generation is way better in terms of processing power with Xiaomi Pad 7. Now it's up to you which tablet you like or which iPad you like. And if you want to buy from Amazon.in that case you will get discounts on ICICI credit card and debit card and also SBI credit card. On the other hand, on Flipkart.com you will get discounts of 10% on IDFC, HDFC and Axis Bank credit card. So if you want to buy any tablet, don't buy without any credit card, because in that case you will have to pay extra amount. Now let me know in the comment sections below which iPad you are going to buy in this Court sale or Prime Day sale. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.